everyone and welcome back to the Trusted Car Products Testing Studio and to another of our BecauseRaceCarBox subscription box unboxing videos. Thank you for tuning into the YouTube channel as always. We've got the January edition of the box with us today. We're going to have a look at the contents inside, as always talk you through any of the products we know, any of the products we don't know, we'll have a look at what they are and just have a general look at the contents inside. Okay, so popping the lid open on the box this month, I can already see it's a jumbo bumper filled box this month, definitely. Many bottles in there. First off, as always, we've got the information card that the team at BecauseRaceCar provide for us. We've got Mercedes SLR on the front this week, very nice car indeed, in fact one of my dream cars personally. On the back it has, as always, the information on what is inside the box, any safety instructions, usage guidance, that sort of thing, always useful to have. I can see we've got at least 4 products in there this month as always. But it looks like there actually might be a bonus product in there as well, but we'll have a look as we get into the box. So first thing on the top here, we've got a couple of air fresheners from the team at Emoji Fresh. We had a Emoji Fresh air freshener in the box quite a few months back now. It was actually very good, quite a long lasting air freshener. I'm personally not usually a fan of hanging air fresheners, but it was one of the better ones we've had certainly. So we'll definitely put those to the test. It's nice to get 2 in the box as well. Okay, so products wise, first of all, we have got where to start. Like I say, there's a lot in here this month. We've got what is no doubt quite an expensive product to have in the box. It's a polishing compound from the team at Cartech. This one is called Final Cut 9000. It claims to be a one-step cutting compound or polish, whichever side of the grade it's on. Yeah, one-step cutting basically means with machine correction usually that you can achieve the desired cut and finish that you require from a paint correction in one single step. You don't necessarily have to change pads or product to achieve the different variances of cut. Obviously this varies if you have extremes in terms of very soft paint or very hard paint, but as a general rule a one-step compound will get you a good sort of 80 to 90% correction on most paint finishes. So we do a lot of paint correcting here in our sister company Autogleam, so we'll definitely be putting that to the test next time we have a machine correction job in. Very much looking forward to trying that. The stuff we've used from Cartech so far has been very good indeed. You can actually check out the review we've got of their fallout remover. I think it's called Iron Wash if I remember right. That is on the Trusted Car Products website. We really liked that, so make sure you check out the review of that. Next out, speaking of fallout removers, we have Purple Rain version 3. This is from Autobright Direct. Purple Rain being a very popular fallout remover. I did hear about this product coming out. If I'm right, I'm yet to try this. They've made it a slightly thicker formula, a more sort of clingy gel type formula, meaning it has a greater dwell time. With fallout removers, obviously you want them to sit on the paintwork and wheels for a little while, dissolve all the harmful rust-causing ferrous deposits that land from industrial pollution, brake disc fallout, that sort of thing, that over time will eat away at your clear coat. So if it's a thick gel that dwells that little bit longer, allowing it to be more effective, that's always a good thing. Being a fallout remover, I don't know why I'm doing this. It will stink, I'm sure. Yep. Not good, but it's sort of accepted part of the course of the fallout remover that it smells rancid. So you have to excuse me, it's very cold today. Next thing out of the box, we have, so you have to excuse me again, this is a brand I'm not familiar with. It's called Akira, it's spelled A-K-I-R-A, Akira, or Akira, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. But it's a citrus cleaner, it's a bug and grime sort of citrus pre-wash type product. Says it can be diluted for lighter soiling. Just a spray onto the area and dwell type product and then rinse with a pressure washer. Sorry, I'm mistaken, the brand is called Akira brand. The full name is Akira brand. They're a UK based company by the look of it. So yeah, that's completely new to me, both in terms of brand and product, but that's the beauty of RaceCarBox. Introduces you to things that you might not be aware of. So yeah, very interested to try that. Okay, next out we have something from Wax Planet. I have used a couple of things from Wax Planet in the past. This is an all-purpose cleaner, so as the name suggests, it can be used for all purposes. Usually with all-purpose cleaners you dilute differently for different purposes, so for an engine bay clean you might use it as a slightly stronger dilution, whereas on interior fabrics or interior surfaces you might use it as a much lower dilution. So I'm just trying to read the instructions as I'm talking. Yeah, so as it says here, dilute 1 parts to 10 for heavy soil surfaces and up to 150 parts to 1 for light soiling. So very dilutable product, always very useful to have. We always have all-purpose cleaners on hand in the workshop because they're great just for the jobs that, you know, door shuts, engine bays, anything that's mucky essentially that you don't need particularly a high gloss finish on or protection, you just need cleaning power. Always very useful, so we'll definitely put that through its paces. It's great that it's a very dilutable one as well. The usual gloves they provide for safety. And then the team at Because Race Car have also popped in one of their own products this month. This is a screen wash from the team themselves with a 20 parts to 1 dilution rate. They've titled it as their winter grade screen wash shot. So we'll pop that into our works vehicle as well to put to the test. So 5 products and air fresheners this month, as well as obviously the gloves as well. So definitely a very good value box this month, particularly when you factor in the polishing compound, which I can't imagine. I'd imagine that's 250 ml, is it? 150 ml, sorry, but even so, that's got to be at least £8 to £10 worth of product in that alone RRP. So a very, very good value box this month with some really interesting product. Okay, so thank you for checking out another of our Race Car Box unboxing videos, and thank you for checking out the Trusted Car Products YouTube channel again. Really interesting box this month. We can't recommend the Race Car Boxes enough. It's always a really enjoyable thing, getting the box, seeing what's inside, trying the different products. If you do want to try it, head to BecauseRaceCarBox.com, enter the code Trusted Car Products, all in capital letters, and that will get you 10% off your first box. That's Trusted Car Products, the code. You'll get 10% off the first box and 10% off all accessories across the website. Please do give them your support, great brand, and we also appreciate any support you can give to Trusted Car Products as well, whether that be on our Facebook page, our Twitter, our Instagram or our YouTube. We really appreciate all follows, likes, subscribes and shares. It really does help the channel and we really do appreciate it. We'll always try and respond to all comments and messages that we get. So thank you very much guys, hope to see you again soon in another video, and enjoy your weekend.